This is the property pre-VersaCourt. In 24 to 48 hours, this property is going to look completely different. So guys at work prepping the court, nice clean line. Here we have the completion of the hard-packed gravel phase. Look at how level this is. Leveled out the edges. Next step, snap together the VersaCourt and assemble the basketball hoop. And then we're going to have a full 46 by 30 half-court VersaCourt. Here's another angle of our completed VersaCourt that you've seen every step of the way, from the grass to the construction to the hard packed gravel, and this is the completed VersaCourt, complemented by the first team Olympian adjustable basketball hoop.